enter Rapid SCADA official website. Click Download and select latest version. Here we can fill in the relevant information for installation, or click Skip to skip filling in the information. We choose to download the Linux version. Before using Rapid SCADA, need to install the ASP.NET Core Runtime 8.0.x environment. Here we enter the .NET website. Select ARM 64-bit. The system will automatically download the .NET binary file. Use a USB flash drive to copy the downloaded .NET SDK-8.0.408-Linux-ARM64.tar.gz and Rapid SCADA, Rapid SCADA _6.4.1 Linux _en-zip installation packages to the device. First use mkdir/user/share/.net/ to create a .NET directory. Copy .NET-SDK-8.0.408 Linux-ARM64.tar.gz to the /user/share/.net/directory. Enter the directory and enter tar-zxvf.net SDK-8.0.408-Linux-ARM64.tar.gz to decompress the installation package. Wait for the decompression to complete. After the decompression is complete, enter ln-s/user/share/.net/bin/net to create a link to the .NET file. Return to the directory where the compressed package is stored. First, create a folder to store Rapid SCADA files, mkdir Rapid SCADA. Enter unzip Rapid SCADA _6.4.1 Linux -en-zip-d Rapid SCADA to decompress the file. Copy the SCADA in the unzipped folder to the /opt/directory. Enter the cd/opt/SCADA/directory. Give executable rights to the make_executable.sh file in the folder chmod +x/opt/SCADA/make_executable.sh. Enter /opt/SCADA/make_executable.sh to run the script. Return to the previously unzipped folder directory. Enter the daemons folder and enter cp*/etc/system/system to copy all files in the daemons folder to the /etc/system/system directory. sudo systemctl enables SCADA 6.service. Sudo systemctl enables SCADA server 6.service. Sudo systemctl enables SCADA 6.service. Sudo systemctl enables SCADA web 6.service. Install and configure Nginx. First, enter a pt update to update the installation environment. Enter apt install Nginx to install the Nginx server. Copy the default file in the Nginx folder in the unzipped rapid SCADA package to the /etc/nginx/sites-available directory. Enter OpenSOREQ-X509-NOS-days 365-NUKI RS22000-NT-SSL/private/nginx-self-sign.key-out/etc/nginx-self-sign.crt to create a self-signed certificate. Enter reboot to restart the device. After the device reboot, open the browser and enter the IP address of the device in the browser navigation bar. To the Rapid SCADA login interface, username, admin password, SCADA,